In our last video, we asked if AI would take our jobs. Today, we're giving you some answers. Instead of focusing on what machines can do, let's talk about what they can't. Here are 5 types of jobs that rely on uniquely human skills AI struggles to replicate, at least for now. Number 1. Highly creative and strategic roles. AI can generate an image or write a paragraph, but it lacks true original thought, intuition, and the ability to build long-term, complex strategies from scratch. This keeps roles like film directors, research scientists, senior marketing strategists, and novelists uniquely human. They require vision, not just data. Number 2. Jobs requiring deep human empathy and interaction. AI doesn't have emotions, emotional intelligence, or the ability to truly connect. Professions that rely on building trust, understanding complex human feelings, and providing genuine care, like therapists, social workers, and teachers, are firmly in human hands. It's about more than just knowledge. It's about understanding the human condition. Number 3. Unpredictable manual dexterity and problem solving. Robots excel at repetitive tasks in controlled environments, like assembly lines. But they struggle with the unexpected, the messy, and the unique challenges of the real world. Think of plumbers, electricians, or surgeons. Every leaky pipe, every faulty wire, every human body presents a unique problem that requires on-the-spot human judgment, adaptability, and delicate manual skill. Number 4. Ethical decision-making and complex legal judgment. AI can process laws and precedents, but it can't grapple with the nuanced ethical dilemmas or the moral complexities of human society. Jobs like judges, specialized lawyers, and ethicists are safe. They demand not just knowledge, but wisdom, fairness, and an understanding of human values. Number 5. Entrepreneurship and visionary leadership. While AI can optimize a business plan, it cannot create the spark of an entirely new business idea, take calculated risks based on intuition, or inspire a team with a compelling vision for the future. The role of the entrepreneur, the visionary leader, and the innovator remains deeply human, driven by passion and foresight. Now, here's a crucial point. These jobs might be safe from replacement, but they are not safe from evolution. In the future, a surgeon will use AI for diagnostics, and a marketing strategist will use AI to analyze trends. The future isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans working with machines. Your uniquely human skills, creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and adaptability are your golden currency for the future. What's your job? Do you think it's AI-proof? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to understand how to thrive in an AI-powered world, make sure to subscribe to AI vs. Human Explained and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.